Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So let's see, today I'm going to discuss about the chapter trigonometry. Okay, so before doing this chapter, you have to learn some of the formulas which is very easy. So let's see everyone. First of all, I'm writing here PBP upon HHB. Okay, so now let's see what is this PBP and HHB. This P part is for perpendicular, B is for base, P is again for perpendicular, H is hypotenuse and B is base. Okay, so like what you have to do everyone, first of all you will consider one right triangle. Okay, let's suppose I have a right triangle here, A, B, C. Now, I think you all know what is right triangle. Right triangle, it means we have a triangle in which one of the angle is of 90 degree, right? So in this part, we all know this one is our perpendicular, this one is our base, and this one is our hypotenuse. Clear? Okay. So now everyone, what we will do in this part, like I think now you all know this is our hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base. But for which case? For this angle. Let's suppose if I am saying ki, okay, for angle C. Okay, let's suppose I can take an angle C here. So this, it would be perpendicular for it. This one is base and this one is hypotenuse. Clear? Okay, now I'm erasing this part and again writing this perpendicular base, perpendicular and hypotenuse base. Okay, well, there is a trick also. Later, I'll tell you the trick to learn this. Okay, so first of all, let's see everyone. Like this ratio. Okay, if I'll take perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so this ratio is for sine theta. Okay, this ratio is for sine theta. So whenever like we have a question, we have to find the sine theta. So we have to find the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Clear? Same as the next ratio. The next ratio is for cos theta. Okay, and cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. What is cos theta? Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. And the next part we have is perpendicular and base. Okay, so sine cos, then we have tan theta. So tan theta we have is perpendicular upon base. Okay, is this part clear? Okay, so now let's see everyone, like what we will do as like this sine theta, it's an inverse of cosec theta. Okay, there are too many formulas, don't worry. But after practicing many questions, you will learn these formulas. Okay, so let's see the sine theta. Well, we can write it as 1 upon cosec theta also. Okay, we can write it as 1 upon cosec theta. So or either we can write cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. So if we want to write the formula for cosec theta, what we will do? We will do the reciprocal. Okay, as we can see, sine theta we have is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For cosec theta, we will have hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Is this part clear? Okay, so same as you can note down it also. Then after that, now I'm erasing this part. Then for same as for cos theta, cos theta its inverse is well, it's a reciprocal of a sec theta, so we can write cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. So for sec theta we can write down the formula is h upon base. Okay, what we are doing, we are doing a reciprocal of this part also, right? So this is our hypotenuse upon base. Clear? Now the next part, same as the sine theta, like we can write it sine theta as 1 upon cosec theta and cos theta as equal to 1 upon sec theta. So same as I can write tan theta, tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Clear? So for cot theta, I can have the formula is, as I can see, the tan theta formula is perpendicular upon base. So same as for cot theta, we will have the formula is base upon perpendicular. Is this part clear, everyone? Okay, so you all can note down this formula. This formula part is very important. Okay, so I hope this part is clear. Now I'm raising this part and let's suppose now if we have one question, and this question I have is like Okay, so let's suppose this value is 12. Okay, and this value is 5. We can write here centimeter. Okay, this value is 12 centimeter, this value is 5 centimeter. Now we have, first of all, and in the question they are saying ki, okay, we have to find like it's a right triangle, just a minute, it's a right angle at B. Okay, and in the question they are saying we have to find sine C and cos C. Okay, we have to find this this part, this trigonometric ratio. So let's see, first of all, everyone, we can see we have only the perpendicular part and as well as the base part, right? So now what we will do, first of all, we'll find this unknown part. Okay, what is this? Well, we know that this is perpendicular, this one is base, and this one is our hypotenuse. So from like with the help of Pythagoras theorem, first of all, we'll find the AC length, which is our hypotenuse. Okay, so now we all know, well, I'm writing sine C and cos C here. Okay, we have to find this. So now let's see, from the Pythagoras theorem, we know that from, for now I'm writing only PT. Okay, in short, I'm writing this. Okay, so from Pythagoras theorem, we know that the hypotenuse square, the hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, this is the formula. Now we have the perpendicular value. Well, in place of hypotenuse square, I'm writing it as it is because we have to find the value. Now the perpendicular we have is 12 square and the base we have is 5 square. Okay. Now we know that the square of 12, if you will do the square of this 12, so we will get 144 and the square of this 5 is 25. Okay. Now I'm assuming you know this basic things. Okay. So now after adding this, what I'll get? 169. But this value is for the hypotenuse square. Now, if you want to calculate only the hypotenuse part, so what I will do? I'll send, sorry, I'll send this square part on the another side. It means right hand side. So it will become a root. Okay. And we all know 169, it's a square root of 13. Okay. So now we got the value here is 13. Now we have the hypotenuse is 13. Clear? Just revise the thing if you have any doubt. So you all can ask me a doubt. Okay, now I'm erasing this part. And now we have the perpendicular, we have the base, we have the hypotenuse, right? Now we can easily find this trigonometric part. Now this is, we have is sine C, right? Now let's see. Now you must be thinking ki, okay, initially the ma'am has said ki, okay, the formula is sine theta cos theta. Now why she is writing sine C? Well, it can come on your questions. You can see ki this part we have C and this part A and B. Okay, so if they are saying ki, okay, we have to find sine C, it means we are considering this angle. Clear? Now sine C. Now what's the formula for sine theta? Okay, well, we have learned the formula PB, PH, HB. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So first of all, we'll write down the formula. Then after that, you have to learn one more thing. Ki the side opposite to the angle, like whatever side we are taking. If we will take in place of C, if we will take A. So we have to assume, okay, so like now in this case, if we have angle C, so the side opposite to the angle, it would be the perpendicular for it. Okay. Same as if I'll take in place of C, if I'll take A, so the angle, the side opposite to the angle, it would be the perpendicular. Okay, there will be a change. So for now, I have this angle. So this is our perpendicular, this is our base, this is our hypotenuse. Okay, so now I have the perpendicular is 12 and the hypotenuse is 13. So this is our answer for the first part. Same as for the cos C part, what I can do? The cos C formula now we have is base upon hypotenuse, right? So now the base part we have is, what is the base here? 5 upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 13. So this is our answer. Clear? I hope this part is clear. Okay. Thank you so much.